All right, what's going on, Backyard Dippers? John with Discount Salt Pool here, ready to give you a quick rundown on how to use the salt system. Okay, so maybe you just bought your first salt system, or maybe you just purchased a brand new home with one. What I'd like to do in this video is talk about how to operate it. So here you see in front of you a couple of very popular salt systems in our lineup. As you can see, each system is composed of a cell and a control module. Now the cell is where the chlorine production takes place. If you look inside, you'll see it's composed of titanium plates. All right, these plates get powered by the control module. Seems pretty easy, right? Now every pool is very unique, so you simply want to set your system to meet your pool's needs. Turn it up on the dial to increase your chlorine output, or turn it down to decrease your output. Simply put, the output is really just how much chlorine you're telling the unit to produce. So practically speaking, when you begin using the salt system for the first time, here's a good general procedure to follow. First thing you want to do is simply just take note of what your chlorine level is in the pool, and then let the salt system run for 2 or 3 days on its current setting. After that, you want to measure the resulting chlorine level in the water. You're aiming for about a level of 1 to 3 parts per million of chlorine, free chlorine that is. If that chlorine result is too low, no big deal, just bump up your output on the control module, and again vice versa if your chlorine level is too high. Repeat this process a few times, and I promise you guys, usually within a week or so, you'll have it fine-tuned just right to meet your pool's needs. And remember, every pool is different. You may not have the same output as your neighbor, but that's certainly okay, right? Now, there are a lot of factors that play into this, but that's pretty much it for the when it comes to normal operation. Now, once you get your system set up initially, most people really only need to make those minor adjustments to your salt system throughout the year. Quick tip, there are a few good times to see if you need to make those adjustments, and these adjustments include things like seasonal temperatures, right? When you get higher low temperatures, when your bather load changes, right? You have a pool party, chlorine demand starts to rise, or after you get any heavy rainstorms. Down the road, when you want to check your system, most generators will give you some indicator lights, so please pay attention to these being illuminated because it can often give you some pretty important information. This includes if the pool has a low salt level or when the cell needs to be cleaned and things like that. But that wraps it up for today. Please guys, if you have any questions at all, please give me a call. We're always happy to help you out, and do me a favor if you can, punch that thumbs up and subscribe button for me, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.